Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 4500 watt RV ready inverter with quiet technology. Perfect for taking on small trips, using recreationally, or to back up your essential household items during a power outage. Champion's easy start dial takes the confusion out of starting an engine, giving you easy access to all the controls you need. And when the electrical load is reduced, the innovative economy mode provides quieter operation, extended engine life, and better fuel economy. This inverter comes travel ready with a standard 30 amp RV outlet to easily bring you power while you're on the road, as well as a pair of 120 volt household outlets, a 12 volt DC outlet, and a dual USB adapter. Or connect 2 units using a Champion Paralink parallel kit to provide 50 amps of power directly to your RV. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the inverter. Add oil to the inverter. Move the inverter outside. Add gasoline. Start the inverter. And plug in your desired equipment. Champion's 4500 watt RV ready portable inverter, your perfect choice for quiet,